Ever wondered about the intriguing world of crypto mining? Or perhaps you've heard about the revolutionary concept of satellite mining, but aren't quite sure what it entails? Well, today we delve into the fascinating realm of satellite mining and introduce you to the innovative Fry satellite miner. In essence, satellite mining is a cutting-edge method of mining cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional methods that depend heavily on energy-consuming hardware, satellite mining harnesses the power of satellites orbiting our planet. This breakthrough technology not only reduces the carbon footprint of crypto mining, but also makes it accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world. Now, enter the Fry satellite miner, a device that brings the concept of satellite mining to your fingertips. This miner, powered by its own supply, is designed to mine our native crypto token, Fry. However, it's important to note that this miner will not come with extra peripherals such as an Ethernet cable, GPS dongle, or external mic. If your miner requires any of those, they can be purchased separately under the Buy Fry Miner Parts section on our website. What makes the Fry satellite miner unique is its eco-friendly nature. Our devices are made from recycled electronics 95% of the time, meaning you could receive an HP, Lenovo, or any other ITX box. The remaining 5% of the time, we resort to brand new products, especially when shipping worldwide, to ensure everyone can access our technology. But rest assured, no matter how your device looks, it earns the same amount of Fry. Despite some of our devices being older, due to their recycled nature, there's no need for concern if they can't process all Windows updates. The Fry software will run smoothly, and while not all these miners come with a Windows license, you can use your miner to purchase one through Microsoft Edge. It's also essential to know that if you choose no operating system, your device may or may not come with an HDD or SSD, meaning you might need to purchase and install your own. So there you have it, the Fry satellite miner, a sustainable and efficient solution to mine cryptocurrencies. For more information or to make a purchase, visit our website. Remember, we're not affiliated with any brand that we sell. We're here to revolutionize the crypto mining landscape. Welcome to the future of crypto mining.